In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Bet365 app not working the way it should be. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so there's a few ways you can do this. So the first way is to make sure your Bet365 app is up to date. So you can check that by going to your Player App Store. And then from here, just search in Bet365. And now, as you can see, Bet365 sports betting, it says open here. That means it's fully updated. But if it says update, that means you need to update it to the latest version and check if that fixes your issues. If it doesn't, there's a few more ways. So the next way is to click and hold the app, and you want to get into the app settings like so. And then from here, scroll down and then click on the storage. And then you want to go ahead and click clear cache. Another way is to simply delete your Bet365 app on your phone and reinstall it by going to your Player App Store. And the last way is to simply restart your phone, and then after that, check if it works. So yeah, there's about 4 different ways you can check and fix your problems. Also, leave a comment down below and see which method actually worked for you as well. Thanks for watching.